In this video, I will guide you on how to change address on Walmart account. First, open Walmart on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now find the option of addresses. If you want to remove this address, you can tap on the remove option, then tap on remove to confirm, then tap on the add option to add a new address. If you want to edit the existing address, then simply tap on the edit option. Now go ahead and change the street address. Then enter city, state, zip code, enter your phone number. After you have edited that, tap on the save option. This is one way to change your address on Walmart account. If you want to change the address on an active account, then you want to tap on account again. Here find the option of purchase history and tap on view all. Now select the specific processing order. Here click on edit items. If the option is still visible, if the button is missing, the order has been processed too far to change manually. You must immediately contact Walmart customer support to request a manual redirect or cancellation. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.